Hey guys, this test this side. Today we are going to create this portal simulation inside Touchdesigner using pops. So let's get into it. We'll start with our point generator pop and we are going to use torus as our shape. Then we will adjust the torus and we will add particles over it. We will create our render network and once we are done with that, we will add force radial node to give radial force and we will give spiral force as well. Once we are done with force parameters, we can add transform node. It will give depth to our portal and we will add noise for the particle so it will have a little bit of organic look. Once we are done with adjusting our noise parameter, we are almost done with main part. Now we can focus on our render feedback loop. We will add render feedback. It will look more like a trails and once you are done with your feedback loop, you can tweak overall noise and you can tweak your transform according to your own test. You can add rotation to it and once you are done with that, you can add color as well, adding post effects over it. We are good to go.